Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Laura Lucas, managing partner of Latitude Ventures, to discuss opportunities for companies with diverse founders and supporting them through the growth stage to an exit. Laura, it's great to see you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you, Jill, so much for having me.
You got it. Now, you're at the Latitude conference in Miami this week. Why are you there? Why Miami? And how is Latitude Ventures driving the local ecosystem?
Thank you. Yes, well, Latitude Conference drives thousands of people to the conference here. And we knew that if we wanted to tap into the best and brightest in the innovation ecosystem, Miami is one of those thriving ecosystems that's growing. And we're seeing a huge and tremendous growth of early stage startups and all the way to Series A. That is where we focus. And so we wanted to make sure that we are not only supporting the local economy, but contributing here to that growth. Latitude Ventures is a $100 million venture fund that exclusively invests in U.S. Latinos here in the U.S.
So discuss some of the current opportunities and growth for growth with diverse founders, and how are you supporting them from the growth stage to an exit?
Yeah, thank you. Well, outside of capital, which is the most important thing, Latitude is investing in these companies. Typically, in the past, you would see some of the investments going into the diverse community being smaller investments, like 50, 100K. We are contributing millions of dollars in capital to help scale these companies quicker, faster, and stronger than their competition. And the companies we are seeing are incredible across all industries. Obviously, specifically a big, huge growth in AI companies, but we're seeing healthcare, we're seeing robotics, we're seeing a lot in the technology space that is just continuing to show that our community is thriving and growing stronger than before.
What are you seeing in the capital markets as it relates to the early stage company going to 2024?
Yeah, well, this year was a very challenging year with a lot of the complexities with the banking system. But I think what we're continuing to see is that our community is innovating and finding other ways and other source of capitals to get through this challenging time. I think we're going to still, make sure that a lot of the communities that have doubled down in terms of investments, they continue to support their institutional investment in diverse founders and general partners into 2024. So with their commitments, I see that this community and all of that we're doing to invest in this community will continue to thrive, and will hopefully see a lot of them reach Nasdaq and become unicorn status.
What's next for Latitude Ventures?
Well, we obviously are really excited reaching 100 million in our early stage venture fund, but we want to go bigger. So thinking about the next fund being somewhere in the 250 million or even higher than that. And obviously for me, I have a big moment that I want to share, that I am exclusively really focused on strengthening women and the U.S. economy, and that focus of what I can do to bring capital to them and help them move up in the capital structure is really important. So we are the ones that are driving small businesses and creating startups faster than men today. So I'm looking forward to seeing the Latinas thrive in the U.S. economy.
All right, Laura, appreciate the insight and the fantastic work that you're doing. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.